In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do sort high to low. In Excel, we're going to walk through a simple way to organize your data in descending order, which means Excel will place the highest values at the top and the lowest values at the bottom. This is especially useful when you want to quickly identify top numbers, compare results, or make your spreadsheet easier to read. To begin, open your Excel workbook and locate the sheet that contains the data you want to sort. Make sure you're working with the correct table or range before making any changes. In this example, the sample data is placed in cells A1 through B6, but the same process works for larger or smaller ranges as well. Next, prepare your sample data by confirming that everything is arranged clearly in rows and columns. This matters because when Excel sorts data, it should keep related information together. For example, if one column contains names or labels and the next column contains numbers, you want each row to stay matched correctly after the sort. Once your data is ready, select the range that contains the values you want to sort. Be sure to highlight all the relevant cells, not just one column, especially if your rows contain connected information. Selecting the full range helps prevent your data from becoming misaligned. Now go to the Data tab at the top of Excel. In the Sort and Filter group, click Sort Z to A. In Excel, this option is used for descending order, which means largest to smallest for numbers. If you're sorting text, it will place entries in reverse alphabetical order. If Excel displays a prompt, choose Expand the selection and then click Sort. This is an important step because it tells Excel to include the related data in the neighboring columns instead of sorting only one column by itself. That way each row remains intact and your worksheet stays organized. Excel will then sort the selected data in descending order based on the column you selected. The highest value will appear at the top and the rest will follow down to the lowest value. Finally, review the result. Your selected data should now be arranged from high to low while keeping each row's related information together. This gives you a clean, organized view of your data and makes analysis much easier. And that's it. You now know how to sort high to low in Excel.